What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be a workout video, in-home workout video. The plan was that I was going to go outside today to do the workout, but even though it's sunny outside, it's windy and a little cold because I just came from out there. I just rode my bike like how many miles? Probably 10 miles. If you're not subscribed to my channel, now would be a good time to smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bells on, and get active in the comments. So let's jump straight into the workout. Now this workout I will call the high knee press, but people, if you don't have weight, grab 2 water bottles. Even if you have 2 bottles, fill them with water and just grab them and use them, or you can just do this without weights. And this is a good move. You can slow it down. This one is your good old grapevine, and you can just do side steps if you can't handle the grapevine because it's kind of a little complicated, so you'll fall, so be careful. But do just side steps, or what you can do, you can just walk back and forth in your living room. You don't have to stand one place to do these workouts. This one is called the step press, and these are great for warm-up. This one I really don't know the name, but let's just call it stretch kick. But you can also do the opposite arm, opposite legs, but I didn't have a lot of space because I'm filming. I wanted to stay in frame, so I just used this little space that was in front of the camera. Keep in mind, just small moves a day, and these are very beginners friendly. As time goes by, you can increase your intensity, but don't think these workouts are just a waste of time. You actually burn calories and you sweat. These are called kneeling butt kick. I honestly don't know the names of these workouts because I'm used to working out and I work out in high intensity, but I haven't gone to the gym in a while. But I know that these moves are very effective, and sometimes you just gotta go back to where you started. You know, sometimes you never know, you just may feel like you're not up to the high intensity or the strength that you're used to giving off, so you just go back to where you started. These are squat press, and if you notice me, I love squatting. I do love squatting because it just makes my legs feel good, stay toned, decrease the cellulite, and just overall make your legs strong. Remember, if you don't have weight, you can use a water bottle or just go weightless. As you noticed, I put down my 5-pound weights because they were getting a little too heavy for me. So the weight just increased the intensity and helped me burn more calories. So that's why I kind of like the weights, kind of like a double whammy. Now these are the high knee twist, and these are great for the obliques and your abdominal area. And again, I can't stress enough how beginner friendly this is. Anybody can do it, because a lot of times I see workout video and I'm like, okay, this seems like it's just for people that, you know, are advanced, but this, my mom can do this at home. Mommy, if you're watching, you can do this at home. Any one of these, even without the weight. Use a water bottle or just walk back and forth and do your high knee, do your little squats. If you can't go as deep because you have knee problem, just kind of go as far as you can, shallow. They still work. Before you know it, you'll be doing deeper squats. And this was just a 20 minutes workout that I did, so it wasn't a long workout for me to sweat. It didn't take me long to start sweating. As a matter of fact, I started with the fireplace on, and I had to turn it off because with about the first couple minutes I got real hot. So my body was warming up and creating its own heat, so I know that I was burning calories. Now when you're doing these presses, don't just slam your arms up and down. Just control. Remember to control the weight by pushing it up, and control it when you come down. Now here you see me just holding the weight to the side, and you may think, oh, that's easy, she's not doing nothing. Well, you try holding 2 5-pound weight out to the side like that. I'm not gonna say anything else. I rest my case. You just try it yourself. Usually some workout videos will tell you to do 3 sets of each rep, but because this is a short workout, I'm just gonna say do each workout for at least a minute. So if it's 10 workouts, 10 minutes and you're good. If it's 15 different moves, 15 minutes and you're good. As time goes by, you can, like increase the intensity, increase the time, your duration of your workout. But for beginners, if you're just starting, no rush, no pressure on yourself, just start light. Because remember, if it's weight you're trying to lose or keep off, 80% of weight loss is done in the kitchen. So 80% of your weight loss is gonna be your intake, so basically what you eat, and just 20% is fitness. So if you're burning a little calories and you're eating right, you should be good. Again, I'm not a fitness guru, or I am not an expert when it comes to workout, but I've been working out for a while, and I do know that if you're just starting a workout program, you want to look for the least advanced program to start. So something like this would be the least advanced. This is just basic. Here I'm doing an oblique stretch. This, I'm not even stretching too far down, because by just shaking or twisting, I can feel it in my side. And the person watching may say, but you're barely moving. Look at my forehead. Can you see that sweat? Can you see how shiny my face is? I'm actually sweating. So these little moves are very, very, very effective. This one here is just a push-up, and you can do these with your dumbbells. Actually, it's probably better with your dumbbell. You can balance it better. Now, let me take this time to say I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying inside. I hope you guys are following procedures, especially if you live in the city. If you live in the boondocks like me, where you can jump on your bike or go for a run on the bike track or through the bike track without going past a lot of people or mingling, go ahead and do that. I went for a 45 minutes ride this morning, and it was really, really good and refreshing. I got a lot of fresh air, and I went past probably one or two person on the whole 45 minutes. So I'm pretty sure you can, go get some fresh air or something like that if you're able to. But if you live in the city, where going to get some fresh air include riding the bus, riding the train, you just stay well, stay safe, and stay away from all of that. Here I'm doing a little abdominal workout, but abdominal workouts can be done a lot of ways. Standing up, you can even do planks. Planks are a great way to work your abs, if you guys didn't know. So I'm doing this just because that's what I felt like doing this morning, but there are a lot of other ways to work your abdominals. Like I said, even the twisting and the twist punch that I just did, those are great abdominal workouts. And when you're doing your workout, remember to breathe and tighten your abdomen as much as you can. And I know sometimes you're so tired, or the movement will let you want to just release it, but keep your abdomen tight. If you practice that, you'll see big improvement in your abdomen and in your breathing pattern. And lastly, don't forget to stretch, especially those legs where you did a lot of squats, and your arms where you did the weights. Don't forget to stretch them out. Stretch out your legs, stretch out your arms, and sometimes lay on your back and stretch your whole body. Just stretch your arms as far as you can away from your legs. So don't forget your stretching. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little home workout. Coming soon is a workout from outside, because I love outside at this time for working out when it's so bright. Remember, just do a little move. It doesn't matter what it is. You can even clean your house. Just don't sit on the couch all day, because in times like these, it's very easy for us to snack. Sit on the couch and just snack, because I don't know, it's like you're always hungry. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload.